Don't forget everybody, we're giving away $1,500 worth of RESHOEVN8R product and a pair of REIMAGINE White Cement 3s in your size. All you have to do is hit the link in the description, follow RESHOEVN8R on Instagram, and tag 3 friends on that post. Real easy stuff. We'll announce the winner in the first week of April. Good luck everybody.
What's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I go by the name of Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. Air Max month is almost wrapped up, so it's only right we grab an Air Max sneaker for you. We actually got one of the most timeless sneakers of all time. That's right, I'm talking about these Air Max 97 Silver Bullets. I had the pleasure of rocking these shoes for over a month, put some of that natural wear and tear on the sneaker. I even went to Zion National Park and went hiking, got some of that red mud and dirt all over the shoes, but unfortunately I came back, they just weren't dirty enough. That's why I went to the kitchen, grabbed some of our seasoning and spice, threw it on here, grabbed some dirt and mud, even some of our powdered blue Gatorade we had in there. Pretty much whatever I could find, just threw them on these things to make them as dirty as possible, just so we could showcase how good our signature shoe cleaning kit works. With all that being said, there's not much left to it, but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. Yes, we got a cleaning station all prepped. We got all 3 of our signature brushes, that soft, medium, and stiff, solution, towel, shoe trees, laundry bag. All those products are gonna come inside your signature shoe cleaning kit. We are also using our cleaning mat, dry rack bowl combo, plus some sneaker laundry detergent. All those products are available at RESHOEVN8R.com, so make sure you guys hit that link in the description, save you guys some dollar bills. But with that being said, we can go ahead and get started with this shoe cleaning. We always clean one shoe for that before and after effect. So I'm just gonna grab this left and put it to the left and insert our adjustable shoe tree. So here I go. Our shoe trees will adjust up to a size 13. These are a size 9.5, so I put it to about that 4th or 5th hole back. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these laces. All right, these laces are hella sticky, so I'm just gonna set those aside. I'll take care of those later on in the video, but right now, I'm just gonna grab our soft brush and dry brush this sneaker. It's actually Vic's week to vacuum the studio, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right here. All right, that is gonna do it for the soft brush. I dry brush most of soft, but as you can see, the sneaker is still hella trash, and we left Vic a little project he could restore later on this week. But right now, we can start with the cleaning process. I'm just gonna grab our solution and squirt some squirts into our bowl of water. All right, let's go ahead and continue back with our soft bristle brush. Gonna dip it in and get straight to work. All right guys, I'm all done with this soft bristle brush. It broke down that dirt and grime per usual. It worked great on these mesh panels and didn't fray the material by any means. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off these suds and see exactly what I'm working with. All right guys, right now it is time to hit it with that medium bristle brush and tackle some of those deeper stains. Unfortunately, we got a lot of those in these uppers as well as this midsole. But before I do that, I wanna talk a little bit about this shoe. Obviously, we all know it's the Air Max 97s. Like I said, it's one of the most timeless sneakers out there, especially the Silver Bullet colorway. I don't personally have this sneaker in my collection, but after wearing it for about a month, it is definitely a staple. I'm really digging the 3M. However, I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger on this specific sneaker, but I do want the Puerto Rican release. It's pretty much the same sneaker, but with a Puerto Rican flag. You know, gotta do it for mi gente one time. So let's go, hit it with that medium bristle brush right now. All right guys, we are almost done with this pre-cleaning. One thing I wanna mention, I am still seeing a deeper stain in this mesh, but not to worry, our laundry system should flush out all those trapped in stains. The last thing I gotta do is go ahead and just take care of this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. Let's get it, let's go. Alrighty, I'm all done scrub-a-dub-dubbing this sneaker using all 3 of our signature brushes. The last thing I gotta do for this pre-cleaning is just go ahead and take care of these laces. So I'm gonna hop on that right now. Just gonna grab the laces, stick them inside our bowl of water, and just start swooshing around. All right, guys, there were some deeper stains in the laces. That's why I grabbed our soft bristle brush just to scrub those out. Also, they are gonna get flushed out in the washer, but again, I just want to pay a little closer attention to detail. Right now, we can just go ahead and put our sneaker inside our laundry bag like so. Just gonna throw those laces in there as well. All right, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that shoe aside real quick and talk to you about our mat. As you can see, it is filthy. One good thing about it, it's highly absorbent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, dump that water like so. Wrap her up. And then follow me to the laundry room. Here we go, we're checking at the laundromat. We got our sneakers as well as our dirty towel and mat. To be energy efficient, we're just gonna wash it all at once. Throw that in there like so. One fun fact, you can wash about 3 to 4 sneakers at once as long as they're the same colors, textures, and materials. If you didn't know, now you know. But as always, we're gonna wash it on a normal cycle, cold water, and we'll check in with y'all when we get the final results. All right, guys, we are back. We got the sneaker 100% dried, and overall, I'm pretty happy with these results. Besides the natural wear and tear on this midsole, the sneaker cleaned up great. One thing I do want to mention, we do have a deeper stain on this toe box area. We probably could flush that out if we decided to put it through another wash cycle. However, we just wanted to show y'all for what it is. After that first wash, we got these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it laced up. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Air Max 97 Silver Bullets. As y'all can see by the before and after, these shoes cleaned up great using our signature shoe cleaning kit. But I wanna know from y'all, are you guys rocking with the 97s? If so, what is your favorite colorway? You like the silver bullets? You like the gold bullets? Or are you more of a hype beast and you like them Sean Witherspoons in the back? Let us know, let us know. We love to hear from you guys in the comment section below. While you're there, let us know what sneaker you wanna see us clean next. We always reading those comments and wanna take care of y'all. But before I dip, I wanna plug one more thing, and that's our new project we're working on here at RESHOEVN8R. It's called Defy the Odds podcast, hosted by the owner and founder of RESHOEVN8R, Steve Greer, plus myself, Pretty Boy Rob. In the podcast, we're not teaching you guys how to clean shoes, so don't worry about that. Just stay subscribed on YouTube. We're gonna be talking about business, life, culture, sneakers. With all that being said, I can't go ahead and bounce. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.